You need to hear this if you're a renovation lover. Imagine stepping into your home only to find yourself whisked away to the serene temples of Thailand. How? Let's dive in. Picture this. As you walk through your front door, you're greeted by intricate carvings and vibrant murals, just like those in the ancient temples of Chiang Mai. The living room, bathed in a soft golden glow, features delicate woodwork and traditional Thai fabrics that whisper tales of a rich cultural heritage. In the heart of the home, the dining area, a handcrafted teak table sits proudly beneath a chandelier that mimics the intricate patterns of Thai temple roofs. And it doesn't stop there. Each corner of the house holds a subtle Zen vibe, from the soothing water features in the garden to the tranquil meditation nooks tucked away in quiet corners. Imagine ending your day relaxing in such a spiritually uplifting environment, where every detail brings peace and reminds you of the beauty of Thailand. Isn't it time you brought a touch of Thai tranquility into your home?